now it is time to study some special series in trigonometry. There are a few special series in trigonometry whose results, if we know, or if we know how to derive their results, if you don't remember them, then it will be at least helpful to remember how these results come. Now it is time to study some special trigonometric series of cosine, sine, and tan. These are special series whose results are directly applied in many of the questions which you might face in your board exams as well as entrance exams. Let's look at the most classic ones of them all. Cos theta times cos 2 theta times cos 2 square theta times cos 2 cube theta. Going on like this until you reach cos 2 to the n minus 1 theta equals sine of 2 to the n theta divided by 2 to the n sine theta. How do we get this result? We start with the left hand side and we multiply the numerator and denominator, which happens to be 1, by 2 sine theta. So we get 2 sine theta cos 2 theta and so on divided by 2 sine theta is equal to sine 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 3 theta cos 2 cube theta and so on divided by 2 sine theta. Next, if we multiply the numerator and denominator again by 2, this becomes 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta cos 2 cube theta and so on divided by 2 square sine theta. So this 2 times sine theta, sine 2 theta cos 2 theta becomes sine 4 theta, which is sine 2 square theta cos 2 square theta cos 2 cube theta and so on divided by 2 square sine 2 theta. Again, repeating the same cycle until you get n terms, you will finally get the result sine of 2 to the n theta divided by 2 to the n sine theta. Thus, you get this result.